Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Ajibola Tolani by name, and I am the founder of Jipto Web Services. I will be taking you website designing training on this platform. So, what is a website? A website is a collection of public accessible interlinked web pages that share a simple domain name. What is a domain name? Don't worry, we're still coming down there. It can also be a group of World Wide Web pages, usually containing hyperlinks to each other and made it available online by an individual. What is an hyperlink? We're still coming down there. You don't have to be rushed. Now, type of website. We have two types of websites. We have static websites and dynamic websites. Static websites are the type of website that doesn't require any information from the users. The admin only update the website once or twice in a year. A typical example is a jam broker website. If you've been to any if you've been to jam broker website before, you will know what I'm talking about. You will notice that the information you made last year, you will still need that information this year on that particular website. Meaning their syllabus, they were still using the same syllabus. So that means if there is an update on that syllabus, the admin will just go there and do what? And update the syllabus. So which is like maybe once in a year or twice in a year, even once in 10 years at times. So that is what is called a static website. The website is just static. So why the dynamic website? These are the types of websites that require updates from the admin time to time and also require information from the users if applicable. Like your school portal, if you want to register anything on your school portal, you need to input your information on the portal. So that is why that one is a dynamic website. And another example is like news website, like news portal website, um, maybe like entertainment website, and so on and so forth. So those are the example of dynamic websites. Now, what is a domain name? This aspect is very important when we are talking about a website design, because there is no way we talk about website design without talking about the domain name and the hosting. So what is a domain name? A domain name is the address of a website that people type in the browser URL to visit your website. Let me show you an example of a domain name. As you can see, this is a Gpol official website. So this is our domain name, gyptocreative.com, just gyptolifecreative.com. That is our domain name. So nobody can bear this name except if I didn't pay for the renewal, another person can just take it. So anybody can access this URL throughout the world and land into my website. So this is a typical example of a domain name, which is www.gyptolacreative.com. So that is my domain name. So this is an example of a domain name. Now, what next? We're talking about the web hosting. A web hosting is an online service that allows you to publish your website files on the internet. Now, domain name and the hosting, they are both working together. If you have your web hosting without a domain name, nobody can see you because you have nothing to publish on your domain. There is no way. You can't even purchase hosting plan without a domain name. The first thing you need to do is purchase your domain name and then you host it. So you can access this our website, TikTok Creative. You can access this website because it is hosted online. It is hosted on a server. So that is why you can see the file These are my web files. So you'll be able to see this through my what? Through my domain name. So this is the domain address. This is the address of these files. So you can see all this because the website is hosted. So that is the reason why the hosting and domain they are working together. You can't do one. You can't purchase hosting without having a domain, and you can't purchase a domain without having a hosting because nobody will see you. Nobody will see your website online. So that is that about that. Now we will be making use of WordPress to create our website from the scratch. Now, why are we using WordPress? WordPress is one of the most popular, even it's the most popular content management system in the world today, if I'm not mistaken. 90%, oh, I'm sorry, don't let me say 90%, but like 75% of websites online today is powered by WordPress. I can assure you of that. Even in Nigeria today, 90% of our institution websites, our higher institution websites, they make use of WordPress to create their website. They make use of WordPress to create their website. So because of this, we'll be making use of WordPress to create our website from the scratch. So in the next class, I'm going to teach you. You don't need to buy any domain name for now or any hosting. No, it is not necessary for this particular tutorial. So in the next class, I will teach you how to install WordPress on your local machine, I mean on your computer, without any internet connection. So it will work as if you are on internet. You don't need to buy any hosting and you don't need to buy any domain name for now. So, but if you want to host your website online and you want people to be viewing, to be seeing your website, then you will have to go for the domain name and the hosting. But this particular one on your local machine, I mean on your computer, nobody will see it. You will be the only one to access the website, and no one else can access that website except you on your laptop. In fact, you cannot even access it on another person's laptop. So talk less of this thing. So thanks so much for watching this video.